children, good morning everyone. Are you ready for the today's maths class? Are you ready? Okay children. Before classes we are discussed about the Indian place value system and international place value system, and place value and face value also we discussed. Today I am introducing to you comparing and ordering of numbers. I am introducing you comparing and ordering of numbers. Did you listen this word children anywhere? Comparing. Yes? Have you listened that word anytime? Yes. Yes, in the classes or in home also so many members you know about of this word. Yes, comparing. Always the teacher will be compared with others handwriting or others marks or something. Your mother will be compare you with your brother or sister. Yes, once you see your brother how he is doing the work, yes, will be compared like that. Yes, but in the maths what you are comparing? Yes, today in the maths how you are comparing that numbers or anything in. Yes, okay children. Yes, once you see here 42, 45, 42, 45. Maybe here 42, here 45. You are comparing these two numbers. You are comparing these two numbers. Yes, which is the big, which is the small. In the maths, you are comparing any numbers or things by the some symbols. Which are those symbols? Which are those symbols? Yes, see children. This is that. This is called as a less than. This is called as less than. This symbol is called as greater than. Greater than. Now this symbol is called as equal to. Equal to. Okay children. In the maths we are comparing any two numbers or two things or something. Comparing we are using this less than symbol, greater than symbol or equal to symbol or equal to symbol. Yes. Once you check here less than, greater than, equal. Now we will be check here this is the 42, this is the 45. In these two, when you are comparing these two numbers, which symbol will you use? Which symbol will you use? First children, will you observe here ones place, tens place. This also the ones place, tens place. Okay. This also 2-digit number and this also a 2-digit number. Yes. Now this is 42, this is 45. Yes, you know already before classes. That's why we will be say immediately we will use the less than symbol. Why? Because you are using the less than symbol. First one is the less. Yes, 42 is less than 45. This is the small. First one is small. This is the big. First one is the small. You will use that less than symbol. You will use that less than symbol. No, it is given in this order. 45, 42, 45 and 42. This also 2-digit number, 1, tens, ones, tens. Okay children, ones and tens. Now here 45, 42. Yes, first one is the big. Second one is the small. Big to small. What it is you are observing, first one is the big, then you are using that greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. So many members you are getting confused. Which side is open, which side is closed. Some you know which is the big, which is the small. But you will put the symbol is the wrong. Yes. Anytime we will observe here. Once I will show one example to you. Once I will show one example. Yes. See here children. Here two same toys. Yes. 2 are elephants. Yes, 2 are elephants. In these two, once you check here, these 2 are elephants. Elephants. In these elephants, which is the big? This is the big. Yes, this is the big and this is the small. When it is the big one, always when the mother is given something to you, immediately will be catch the big one. While you are catching the big one, your fingers are open on that side. Yes, see here, big one. Here, this is the big one. This is the small one. In this one, big one and small one. Yes, always open will be get between that big one. Open. Open will be get it is the big number side. See here, children. Yes, big one. Big number side will be get it is the open side. Small number side will be get it is the closed one. Understood, children? Will you compare in this way? Okay. Otherwise, now first you will take small. That's why small. Big one will be get it is the open side. Small one will be get it is the closed side. Will you think like this? Okay. Now one more example. Maybe. Okay. When will we get the small and when will we get big? Did you understand, children? I think. Okay. Now 40, 40. 40 and 40. When it is the two are same numbers, ones, tens, ones, tens. When it is the two are same numbers, then which symbol do you use? In which symbol do you use? When it is the same number, we will use by the equal symbol. We will use equal symbol. 40 is equal to 40. 40 is equal to 40. Yes, I will show here two things. Yes. Now before we do, did you observe that one a big elephant and small elephant? Now here once you observe these two are same size. Same thing is there. So you will be in these two middle. You are using that equal to symbol. You will use equal to symbol. Once you observe. Why? Because of two are same. Two are same. So you are using that equal symbol. No, not same. Now here this one is there and here this one is there. Which one is big? This one is big. Yes, first one is the big. So it should be open in the first number side. If we get is open in the first number side. Now I will change the order. Now we will take like this. Yes. Then how did you take? This is the small one, this is the big one. Then you will be get it in this way. Okay. Now, when it is the two are same, will be get it is the equal symbol. Same numbers. Big, small. Big, small. This side same. Same will be use equal. Big, first one is the big, second one is small. We will get this big number side is open. Now first one is a small, big one, another one is a big, then we will get this one. This symbol is called is equal to. This symbol is called is equal to. When it is the first big one, then you are using that greater than. Then you are using the greater than. When you are using this small one, then you are using that first one is small, we will use that less than symbol. Okay, children, did you understand? Now I will say that with examples. I will say with examples. I will say with examples. Now see here. 8, 9, 4, 3, 2. Now here 894, here 32. 894, this is the 32. 894, first you write that places, ones, tens, hundreds. This also ones, tens. Here is a 3-digit number, this is the 2-digit number. This is a 3-digit number, this is the 2-digit number. Always 3-digit number. 2-digit number. Then always 3-digit number is big. I told already big number side is open. Otherwise you can think like this also. To open means yes, will be hold like this hand, and to open like this, and will be catch like this. So will be put like this 2 dots and 1 dot. So always big number side is open. Always big number side is open. 987, 376. This one also 3-digit number and this one also 3-digit number. While you are comparing 3-digit numbers, two are same digit number, then you are comparing by the places. You are comparing by the places. Unless you compare the places by that highest place onward start. In this one, highest place is the hundreds. Here also hundreds. What is the place value of 9 in this number? In this here 900. 900. This one is 300. 900 is greater than 300. In these two, which is the big? 900 is the big. Yes, I told already big number side is open. Can put two dots. Yes, like this. Now 987 is the big. Understood, children? Nine 427 3047. Now we'll observe here. This is the 4-digit number. This also 4-digit number. Okay, here I will add one more digit, children. Then it is formed here. Which digit number? 5-digit number is formed. 5-digit number is formed. Now how to put the commas? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Now 1000, 10,000 here. Here it is the thousands. Now this is 5-digit number. This is 4-digit number. Always 5-digit number is greater than 4-digit number. So we will use here greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. Okay. 9,400. 9,400. Yes, children. Which is that? These two are 4-digit numbers. These two are 4-digit numbers. This also 4-digit number. And it is the two are same. I told already which symbol will be used? Equal to. Which symbol will use? Equal to. Understood, children? When we will use the less than symbol, children, small box big. Greater than big small. Same. Both are same, then it should be used this symbol. Equal symbol will big means will be get like greater than, less means will be get it is a less than. Now both are same, then you should be used here 9,400 means it will be used here equal symbol. One more, children. 89763 89762. Now here observe, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5-digit number. Here also 5-digit number. But these are two 5-digit numbers. Here is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Two are same digit number means don't need to it same always. Once you will observe 8, okay, 8, 9, 9, 7, 7, 6, 6, 3. But here is a 2 different. When it is difference are there, will be compared by the place values. 8 in 10,000 place. 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Here also 8 in 10,000 place. 8 into 10,000, 80,000. These both are equal. Now 9 into thousands place, so it will be right 9,000. Next this also 9 into 1000, 9,000. Yes. Now here 7. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. Now here this also same. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. Now here 6 tens. 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Here also 60 into 10 is equal to 60. But here 3 ones. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Here 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Once you will observe, children, here 8 into this product and this product is same. This one and this one is same. This one and this one is same. Here is 60, 60. This also same. But here is the different. Here is the different. When it is the same, you will be use the equal symbols. Here is the different. When it is different, observe here 3, 2. First one is big. Second one is small. First one is 3 is the big. 2 is the small. I told here already big to small is there. Which symbol will be used? Greater than. So then here also 89,763 is greater than 89,763 is greater than 89,762. Okay children, did you understand how to compare the numbers by the same digits with a different number? Yes, same digit number. This also 5 digit number, this also 5 digit number. But different digits are there. Same digit number, but different values are there. You will observe that one and write that answer. Okay children, did you understand? Now, here I discussed now about that comparing numbers. Now, we will write that ordering of numbers. How you can write that? Ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. Two types of orderings are there children. That is that already you know that. One it is the ascending order. Ascending. Another one is the descending. First one is the ascending and second one is the descending. The ascending will be saying is the short form AO and descending will be saying is the DO. In higher classes, this one ascending order is called as increasing order. Increasing order. This one is called as decreasing order. Increasing order and decreasing order. The ascending order means, yes, you know children, ascending order means what? Just I will explain now. Okay. Ascending order. Arrange the numbers or things from the smallest to greatest. Arrange the numbers or things from the smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. That one is called as a ascending order. That one is called as a ascending order. Okay children. Now for example, did you understand children? Arrange the numbers arrange the numbers or things from the smallest to biggest. Smallest to greatest or biggest. I told already, small to big, which symbol will be used? Less than symbol. Which symbol will use? Less than symbol. Now for example here 80, 40, 70, 60. Here 4 numbers are there. Already you know that which is the small, which is the big. Ones tens, ones tens, ones tens, ones tens. Ascending order. Small to big. In this one, which one is the small? 40 is the small. Yes, 40. Next one, I told to small to big by using this symbol. But that's why you use less than symbol. 40, 60, less than 70, less than 80. Less than 80. Did you understand, children? Ascending order means arrange the numbers or things from the smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest. When it is asking the descending order, small to great means will be used this symbol. What is the symbol? Less than symbol. What is the symbol? Less than symbol. For example, this one. Okay. You know the values? It is easy to. By understanding, I will show an activity. Once observe, children. I have some different sizes of the tins. Yes, in these tins, how to arrange? Ascending order means what I told, small to big. Yes, I have the here it is the 4 things, children. In these things, I am arranging in that ascending order. In these 4 things, which is the small? In these 4 things, which is the small? I think this is the small. Yes. So you can first arrange this one. First arrange this one. Next one is this one. Yes. Next one is this one. Yes. Is it correct? No. Yes. This is the height wise. We'll see height wise. This is small. Yes. Some big. Some big. After this is big. This is that called as that ascending order. Small to big. Small to big. It is called as a ascending order. Okay, children. Yes. Now I will explain the sums, how to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, children. Now you can see here. Ascending order. Yes. Small to big. Small to big. Yes. Okay. Now he is given any numbers. You observe, children, here this is a 4-digit number, this is a 5-digit number, this is a 4-digit number, this is also a 4-digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, children. Now, how to write these numbers in ascending order? Observe here, this is 10,000, 5-digit number. You can leave that one. This is thousands, this also thousands, this also thousands. Here 4,000, here 1,000, here also 1,000. Yes, 4,000 is greater than 1,000. So we will compare these two first of all. We will compare these two. This is the 1,900, but this is the 1,400. Which is the small? 1,400 is the small. So you can write first that one, 1,428. Now this is the small, 1,942. Next one, here this is the 5-digit number, so I can leave this one, 4-digit number, 4,248. Next one, 32,560. Will you arrange in this way, children? Otherwise, how to arrange? I will say another method also. Will you observe here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Why I written up to 10,000, children? Here all thousands only, but this number has 10,000. So I written that number. Okay, children. Now will you observe here? 4,248. Second number. 32,000. 32,560. Third one, 1,900. 1,000. Children can't see here. I will write up children once you check here. I will write here and observe. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Yes, first number 4,248. Second number 32,560. Third number 1,942. Fourth number 1,428. Is given numbers like this. How to compare the smallest number? In this one, what is the, this is the big digit, so we can leave this one. First, we will observe this one. Small means these are 1,400, 1,900. Then 1,400 is a small, so you can write this number is the first. Already this is over. Next, will be observe this place only. Here 1, 2, 4. Yes, already this don't take. Why? Because of here 10,000s are there. Okay, 1,942 will come this one. Second, I written second. Next one 4,248. Third one. Why? Because this is the last 32,000. So we will be getting here it is the 4,000. By comparing place value charts also by using, you can say which is the big, which is the small. Here more, all so many digits are there, and so many not so many. Here 5 digit number. That's why it is the big. We will get it is the last. These three are same digits. By comparing the places, 1,000, 1,000, 4,000. 1,000s are small, but here two 1,000s are same. Yes, that's why we compare before numbers. Before place, what are the before place? Hundreds. 900, 400. 400 is the small. That's why I was taken the 400 is the first. Next I am taking the 900. Okay. Next we will get it is the 4,248. This is the big, so we will get it is this one. In this way also it is possible. Otherwise, comparing by the places also it is correct only, children. Okay. Let us discuss one more number. One more sum, children. 8, 9, 4, 3, 0, 4, 2, 5, 8, 4, 1, 0, 6, 3, 5, 4, 20. Which order you want? Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. In this one, 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds. Once you observe, children, this is the 5 digit number, this is the 5 digit number, this is also 5 digit number. But this is only the 3 digit number. Yes, that's why 3 digit number is the smallest number. 420. By using the symbols means will be used like this symbol. Less than. Yes. Now here this is 89,430, 42,584, 10,635. Yes. Will you compare the thousands? Here 89,000, here 42,000 and here 10,000. Yes. In this one 89, 42, 10. In the, which is the smallest one? Which is the small? 10,000 and 10,000s. This is 42,000. This is 89,000. 10,000 is small. So you can write 10,635. 10,635. Next one. This is also over. Now here 89,000 and 42,000. 42,000 are small. So you can write less than 42,580. Remaining one 89,000. 89,430. Did you understand, children, how to arrange the numbers in ascending order? In ascending, arrange the numbers are things from the smallest to biggest. Yes. Then you formed a, you will arrange that in that way, you will get it is the ascending order. While you are ascending order by using less than symbol. 420 is less than 10,635. 10,635 less than 42,584. 42,584 less than 89,430. Okay children. Next I will explain that descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers of things from the greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. For example, once you see 400, 900, 4100. Yes, we'll observe here greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. Already I told to you big to small I told. Yes, big to small. Big to small means which symbol I told to you? Greater than symbol. Yes, by using descend while you are writing the descending order by using by the greater than symbol. Okay children, greater than symbol. Now how you can write these numbers in the descending order? 400, 900, 4000, 100. In this number which is the big? Yes, we'll identify, know that. Yes, 4000. Why? Because remaining numbers have that 3 digit numbers, 3 digits only, but 4000 has 4 digits. So 4 digit number is big. 4000 greater than, already 4000 is low. 900, 400, 100. 900 is the big. 900 greater than 400 greater than 100. 4000 is greater than 900. 900 is greater than 400. 400 is greater than 100. Yes? Okay children. Yes, this also I will show by these things. Descending. Descending means what I said children? Descending means big to small. Yes, I told no, big to small. Here some things are there. Again, same thing. I will arrange this one. Big one. Next one. Yes, next one. Next one. Yes children. Big to small. Step by step it is a decreasing. This is called as a decreasing order also. Decreasing means big to small. We will high value to, we are going to the low value. Yes. Okay. Now I will explain these numbers how to arrange in that descending order from examples. Okay children, by example. Descending order means arrange the numbers or things from the smallest to, greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. Descending order means arrange the numbers or things from the greatest to smallest. Yes, see here 89427 142876 3248 42. Observe children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens. In this one, which is the biggest one? Yes, which is the biggest one? This is up to thousands only, 5 digits. This is 6 digits, up to lakhs. This is 4 digits, up to 1000. This is 2 digits, only the tens. Yes, so the 6 digit number is big. Yes, it will easily will understand which is the big. This is 1,42,876. Next one, 5 digit number is big. 89,427. Yes. Next one, 4 digits. 3,248. Next one is 42. Okay. Now, which symbol will be used here? Will be used here. It is the greater than symbols. We use here. It is the greater than symbols. Okay, children. Now, one more example. 89763 4 2 4 5 6 763. Descending order means big to small. In this one here, which is the, this is the 5 digits, this also a 5 digits. Yes, 5 digits means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, here we will compare big one. This and this is the same digit number. So you will compare this by 89,000, 42,000. Which is the big? 89,000 is big. 89,763 greater than 42,456. The last one is 763. Otherwise, children will be use the tabular column also. You can solve these problems. Okay, children. Did you understand how to arrange the numbers from the ascending and the descending orders? Ascending order means arrange the numbers from the smallest to greatest. Descending order means arrange the numbers from the greatest to smallest. Ascending order is called as a increasing order and descending order is called as a decreasing order. By comparison, we have the three symbols. One is the less than, one is the greater than, and one is the equal to. Yes, children. Did you understand? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.